steer oil. So maybe you are like me, are very impatient to test your drone and cannot wait until good weather, summer, spring weather comes. So today I'm going to check it out if it survives German winter temperatures. It's like -2 degrees right now and snowing. So let's see. I've read on the DJI site that the batteries are the batteries lithium polymer batteries, which it has, are reacting differently to cold weather. So obviously they are losing power much quicker, so it's important to warm the batteries by +20 degrees before, obviously in your home, and then you should be very careful, checking all the time if you still have enough battery or not, and don't forget the spare batteries. And also the same is, relates to your mobile phone with which you are controlling, so be careful, keep it warm. Okay, and it's important to be careful that it's not lands on the snow. Also, the website doesn't recommend to use the drone below 0 degrees. So I'm slightly below it. Let's see if it goes well. Let's start the flight. Not cold for a Russian person, obviously.